How's it going, everybody? This is Ramos Sanchez from Board at Home. So, about this 1995 Corvette, and my goal is to turn it into somewhat of a Batmobile look-alike vehicle. Obviously, it's not gonna be an exact replica because my goal is to do some pinstriping, kind of like the 1966 Batmobile red lines look, and my goal is to just have it look somewhat similar to it. I haven't done anything to it yet. I just purchased it. Obviously, I use cars. A 1995 Corvette. The only thing that I've done to it is added this to it. Eventually, I will be doing more, adding the pinstriping. I don't want to paint it because I want to be able to remove it, just in case I get tired of it or get bored of it. But since we do a lot of events with Bumblebee, and before I had the Mystery Machine and also the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle van, although I sold the last two, I still have Bumblebee and would like to keep this one. That's a Batmobile. So this is a video, a pre-video before we start doing some work to it. I think it looked nice, convertible, driving around, looking somewhat like a Batmobile. All right, well, thank you for watching. This is Ramos Sanchez from Board at Home. Hopefully we can add another video to this and have our version, Board at Home's version of the Batmobile.